Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Emma, and today we're going to talk about something that could really change the game for you. You've probably seen a ton of videos claiming you can make money fast online, but I'm here to give you some real, proven strategies to make $100 in 1 hour. Sounds crazy, right? Well, stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. Let's dive right in. So, the first way to earn $100 in an hour is by using freelancing websites. These platforms are a goldmine for making money quickly, especially if you have a skill like writing, graphic design, video editing, or even voiceover work. Here's what I recommend. Step 1. Create a strong profile. Make sure to highlight your skills and experience. Step 2. Find tasks that pay well for a quick turnaround. For example, writing short blog posts, creating social media graphics, or doing quick video edits. Step 3. Apply to gigs that pay around $50 or $100 for 1 hour of work. Many clients are willing to pay top dollar for high-quality work delivered fast. Let me show you how easy it is to find these gigs on Fiverr. You can see I found gigs paying up to $100 for just an hour of video editing or copywriting. If you're really good, you can earn more. Another great way to earn money fast is through online tutoring or teaching. If you're an expert in a subject like math, English, or even a musical instrument, platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, or Skillshare can help you earn $100 per hour. Step 1. Sign up to become a tutor. Some platforms may require a background check or a demo lesson. Step 2. Once you're approved, you can set your rate and start teaching sessions. Step 3. If you're good at explaining things quickly, you can easily hit that $100 mark in just 1 hour. For example, if you're great at English, you could teach conversational English to students overseas for $25 per session. If you do 4 sessions in an hour, that's $100. Next up is selling digital products. This is probably one of the easiest ways to make money without a lot of effort once your products are created. Digital products can include ebooks, printables, digital art, or design templates, online courses. You can sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. Once you create a product, it's passive income. You can sell it repeatedly without doing much extra work. For example, if you create an ebook or a printable planner and sell it for $10, you only need to sell 10 copies to hit $100. The best part? You can make and sell these products in just a couple of hours. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This method is all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale you generate. And the best part? You don't need to create your own product. Step 1. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Step 2. Find a product that you really like or think your audience would enjoy. Step 3. Share your affiliate link. You can do this through a blog, YouTube video, or even on social media. Let me show you an example. If you promote a product that costs $50 and earns you a 20% commission, that's $10 per sale. If you generate 10 sales in an hour, boom, you've just made $100. Lastly, let's talk about something easy but not as lucrative: online surveys and website testing. This won't make you rich, but it's a quick way to earn extra cash. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and user testing allow you to earn money by answering surveys or testing websites. Step 1. Sign up for multiple platforms. Step 2. Complete surveys, watch ads, or test websites. Step 3. cash out your earnings, which could range from a few cents to a few dollars per task. While these don't pay $100 per hour, if you combine surveys with testing websites, it can add up pretty quickly. So there you have it. 5 proven ways to make $100 in 1 hour online. Of course, how much you earn will depend on your skills, your effort, and sometimes a little bit of luck. But with these strategies, you're definitely on the right track to reaching that $100 mark fast. Which of these methods are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome content like this. Until next time, stay motivated and keep hustling.